Ever wondered how to turn your social media savvy into cash? Today, we're delving into how to make money in social media management. Social media management, at its core, is the process of creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content posted on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's not just about posting updates to a company's social media profiles. It involves a detailed understanding of the brand, its customers, and the current social media landscape. In this digital age where nearly half of the world's population uses social media, it's no surprise that businesses are investing heavily in their online presence. That's where a social media manager comes in. They help businesses connect with their customers, increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and generate leads for the business. The demand for skilled social media managers is on the rise. As companies continue to realize the importance of a strong online presence, they're seeking professionals who can help them navigate the ever-changing world of social media. With the right skills and experience, a social media manager can earn a comfortable income, making it a lucrative career path for those with an understanding of the digital landscape. But it's not just about the money. As a social media manager, you'll have the opportunity to shape a brand's image, interact with customers on a personal level, and stay ahead of digital trends. It's a dynamic role that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and adaptability. So whether you're a digital native who's grown up with social media or someone who's developed a passion for it along the way, there are opportunities to turn your skills into a rewarding career. In today's interconnected world, where the boundaries between the physical and digital are increasingly blurred, social media management is more than just a job. It's a way to make a real impact. So, are you ready to transform your social media skills into a money-making machine? Let's delve into the steps to achieve that. Being a social media manager isn't just about posting selfies and hashtags. It requires a unique set of skills. Let's dive into what these skills are and why they're so crucial. First up, content creation. This is the bread and butter of any social media manager's work. You need to know how to create engaging, share-worthy content that resonates with your audience. This can range from witty tweets and eye-catching images to informative blog posts and compelling videos. And remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your tone and style can make a world of difference in how your audience perceives you. Next, analytics. In the world of social media, data is king. Understanding how to read and interpret data from various social media platforms is crucial. You need to know what's working, what's not, and why. This will help you make informed decisions about your content strategy and ensure you're reaching your target audience effectively. Customer service is another key skill. In today's digital age, social media is often the first point of contact for customers. As a social media manager, you will be the face of the company online. This means you need to know how to handle customer complaints, answer questions, and maintain a positive brand image at all times. Finally, understanding of various social media platforms. Each platform has its own unique features, audience, and best practices. A successful social media manager needs to understand these differences and know how to use each platform to its fullest potential. These are just a few of the skills necessary for effective social media management. Of course, this isn't an exhaustive list. Social media is always evolving, and so too are the skills needed to navigate it. But don't worry, with dedication and a willingness to learn, you can master these skills and more. With these skills in your arsenal, you're one step closer to making money in social media management. No one's going to hire you without seeing your work first. That's why building a strong portfolio is crucial. When it comes to social media management, your portfolio is your professional calling card. It's the tangible proof of your skills, capabilities, and results. But how do you build a portfolio, especially when you're just starting out? Well, one of the best ways to start is by managing your personal social media accounts. This allows you to experiment with different strategies, analyze your own results, and gain first-hand experience. Think of your personal accounts as your playground or your testing ground. Use them to create content, build an audience, and demonstrate your ability to drive engagement. Another great way to build your portfolio is through volunteer work. There are countless nonprofit organizations, small businesses, and even individuals who could benefit from skilled social media management but can't afford to hire a professional. Offering your services free of charge not only helps them, but also provides you with valuable experience and results you can showcase in your portfolio. Once you've got some experience under your belt, the next step is showcasing your work effectively. This isn't just about showing off the number of likes or shares you've managed to achieve. It's about demonstrating your ability to meet specific goals, achieve tangible results, and make a real impact. When presenting your portfolio, focus on the success stories. Highlight the strategies you used, the challenges you overcame, and the results you achieved. Use visuals, such as screenshots or graphics, to illustrate your success. And don't forget to include testimonials or references, if you have them. Remember, your portfolio isn't just a collection of your work. It's a reflection of your skills, your style, and your value as a social media manager. It's your chance to show potential clients not just what you can do, but how you can help them achieve their goals. A compelling portfolio is your ticket to attracting potential clients. Now let's talk about how to find them. Finding clients might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's more than doable. So, let's discuss some of the best ways to find clients for your social media management business. Firstly, networking is an age-old strategy that still holds water today, even in the digital age. Attend industry events, webinars, and workshops. Engage with others in the field, share your expertise, and express your interest in collaborations or opportunities. Remember, it's not just about meeting people. It's about building relationships. Another great way to find clients is through job boards. These platforms are teeming with businesses looking for social media managers. Some of the popular ones include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Be proactive and apply to gigs that match your skills and experience. Additionally, keep an eye out for niche-specific job boards in your industry. These can offer more tailored opportunities that align with your expertise. Social media platforms themselves are a goldmine for potential clients. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to find businesses that might need your services. Follow them, engage with their posts, and when the time is right, reach out with a personalized message detailing how you can help their business grow through effective social media management. Now, let's not forget about referrals. Happy clients are often more than willing to recommend you to others in their network. So don't be shy about asking for referrals. It's a simple yet powerful way to get new business. Lastly, consider content marketing. Create valuable content that showcases your knowledge and skills in social media management. This could be blog posts, podcasts, or even YouTube videos. By doing so, you position yourself as an authority in your field, attracting potential clients to you. Remember, finding clients is a continuous process. It requires patience, persistence, and a dash of creativity. But with these strategies, you're well on your way to building a robust client base for your social media management business. Once you've found potential clients, the next step is to convince them to hire you. Let's talk about that. Pitching to clients can be nerve-wracking, but with preparation and confidence, you can make a good impression. The art of pitching is a delicate balancing act of understanding the client's needs, presenting your portfolio effectively, and showcasing your skills in a compelling manner. The first step in pitching is understanding your client's needs. This involves thorough research. Find out what their business is about, their target audience, their current online presence, and where they aim to be. This will help you tailor your pitch to speak directly to their needs, showing them that you're not just a service provider, but a partner who understands their vision. Next, presenting your portfolio is the moment where you let your past work speak for itself. However, it's not just about flashing images or numbers. You need to tell a story. Explain how you tackled past challenges and how you helped other businesses achieve their goals. This narrative will help build a connection with your potential client, as they can picture you doing the same for them. Showcasing your skills is where you get to shine. This is your chance to demonstrate that you're up to date with the latest social media trends and algorithms. But remember, don't just tell them you know your stuff, show them. Use real examples, explain how you would apply these skills to their business, and how it would impact their bottom line. And finally, remember to be genuine. Clients can sense when a pitch is scripted or rehearsed to the point of losing authenticity. Let your passion for social media management shine through. Show them that you're not just doing this for the money, but because you genuinely enjoy helping businesses grow their online presence. A successful pitch can seal the deal. But remember, your work doesn't end there. You've won the battle, but the war is just beginning. Now you have to deliver on your promises and prove that your pitch wasn't just a sales talk. After all, a satisfied client is the best advertisement any business can have. Winning a client is just the beginning. Delivering results is where the real work begins. Yes, you've successfully pitched your skills, but now it's time to put those words into action. In the world of social media management, delivering results is the name of the game. It's the tangible proof of your expertise, the evidence that you can do what you promised and more. But what does delivering results really mean? It's not just about getting likes, shares, or follows. It's about generating meaningful engagement, sparking conversations, and ultimately, driving conversions for your client's brand. It's about making a visible, significant impact that aligns with your client's goals. Now, how do you ensure you're delivering these results? First, maintain an open and constant line of communication with your client. Regular updates, progress reports, and feedback sessions are crucial. They'll keep both parties on the same page, allowing for adjustments and improvements along the way. Remember, your client's success is your success, but delivering results isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process that requires you to always be on top of your game. This means keeping up to date with the latest trends, algorithms, and best practices in social media management. It means learning from your experiences, from your successes and failures alike, and using that knowledge to improve and refine your strategies. Moreover, it means being proactive, always looking for opportunities to innovate, to push boundaries, to make your client's brand stand out in the crowded social media landscape. It's about not just meeting expectations, but exceeding them. Delivering results is about more than just fulfilling a contract. It's about forging strong, lasting relationships with your clients, built on trust, transparency, and proven success. It's about showing them that you're not just a service provider, but a valuable partner in their journey towards achieving their business goals. And this, my friends, is where the real reward lies. Delivering results will not only earn you money, but also help you build a reputation in the industry. It's the key to a successful, sustainable career in social media management. So let's get out there and make a difference. Once you've established yourself, it's time to think about scaling your business. Scaling your business means growing and expanding it in a way that can handle an increase in sales, workload, and output. It's about looking beyond the horizon, daring to dream bigger, and turning those dreams into reality. One of the most effective ways to scale your business is by hiring a team. No one can do everything on their own. As your business grows, you'll find that there are more tasks than hours in the day. By bringing in a team, you're not only delegating tasks to lighten your workload, but you're also bringing in fresh perspectives and new ideas. A team can help you manage multiple clients and projects simultaneously, increasing your overall productivity and efficiency. Another strategy to scale your business is to offer additional services. As a social media manager, you might start by offering basic services like content creation and community management. But as you grow, you can start offering more specialized services like paid advertising, influencer outreach, and social media strategy development. By diversifying your offerings, you not only increase your revenue streams, but also make your business more appealing to a wider range of clients. Lastly, don't be afraid to increase your rates. As your skills, experience, and portfolio grow, so should your rates. You're not just selling your time, you're selling your expertise and the unique value you bring to your clients. By increasing your rates, you're reinforcing the value of your work and ensuring that your earning potential keeps pace with the growth of your business. Scaling your business is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It's about being proactive, not reactive, and always staying one step ahead of the curve. By scaling your business, you can take your earnings to the next level. So don't be content with where you are now. Reach for the stars, because the sky's the limit when it comes to what you can achieve. Making money in social media management isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. Today, we've traversed the landscape of this exciting industry together, touching on the necessary skills for the job, from understanding algorithms to crafting engaging content. We've delved into building a portfolio that showcases your prowess and finding clients who need your expertise. We've explored crafting persuasive pitches, a crucial part of winning over clients. Then we saw how delivering results, exceeding expectations, and proving your worth are paramount. We also discussed the importance of scaling your business, growing your client base, and expanding your services. This journey has been about more than just making money. It's about transforming your passion for social media into a thriving career, about making a difference in the digital world. So there you have it, your roadmap to making money in social media management. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!